Blessed loved once again, ones and ones. The professor is back with another director's overview. This time we'll be looking at check your inner circle. Let's get right into it.
The next column
First image, first visuals. Just truly warm my heart, you know. He is sitting with his daughter. Now, let me tell you something. Pause for the cause. When he is tell us him daughter want to be a part of the bartender, you know, a whole heap of people tell me say them kids want to be a part of the bartender, but because them, you know, kids will say this because them see it and think they want to be a part of it, but when we really start getting into it, them shy. He is tell us say him daughter, we can film him daughter doing what she do with him every day. Him help her with her homework, him iron her clothes, him deal with different things with her. And him tell us say she won't even notice the camera. And that was real, because right here, so we record them and she not even look on the camera. She's being very natural. So this, my friends, real.
Each column 14 to 90. These 9 things tower together make 90.
Hear my moment here. When she look on him and say, help me.
90. To subtract 3 times move your finger 3 towards to the left. When what do you see?
Okay, see, very good. Alright? I'm proud of you.
Then can you ask us now?
Okay.
And you know she gotta ask her father for the snack, right?
So you deserve a snack, alright? I gotta take out my kerchief off your head too.
We're still looking at the role of the father, because I don't think it's something that is celebrated enough in Jamaica, because them always make it look like 90% of the men in Jamaica are deadbeat dads. So it is very, well, for me, it's very special to be able to bring this to light so people see it actually happen. King is in town.
Forward now. Yeah, man. I run some malicious, but I not deal with no school. So where you hear them argument there?
Well, if you tell you the truth, you probably need to check your inner circle then. Because me I tell you, the man them up
Pause for the cause.
and mobilize for come.
Again, as much as we're looking at things that is happening in the inner city, we are not glorifying the violence in the inner city. So we use King as that one person that will try to bring peace between rivaling members of the community. So in this speech, King is trying to make it his know say, maybe somebody in your inner circle now move right. Maybe somebody will move from you to the next group of youth them, and I keep on apart. But in the meantime, he might explain to them the ideas and the plans we have for bring the community together. Because that's one of the things that we have to look at. How do we bring our communities together and get rid of this stereotype that inner city is just about crime and violence.
Grass. And it wouldn't be pretty much.
Yeah, I say it go. Well, anything in a father. Because you have go on. The man them all run off the whole of the weed thing over there. You see it and them go on like say your man no fi eat no food, you see me? You don't know my daughter feed. You're over.
Yeah.
So that's right there.
I'm sure say a number of people did not expect this level of depth from the character, from the Hittis character. Because enough people did expect the Hittis to just dead out of the show because it not really carrying no depth. But now I see the backstory of Hittis and I connect with him more. If that is right, make sure say a comment. Yeah?
That blood in the mud, right?
King. Loud them with the weed thing, you know. I'm here run off some Molly. See? Remember says a party drugs, you know, bro. I want them to see it pray.
See where you're there, G. I see it, G. But here I'm at. From what I hear, I don't think the problem is even with the man.
Once we are alive, people, we are always faced with difficult decisions. We always have to have a clear head when we're making these decisions.
How long now you know me? Good, right? Remember me have a youth to go to school, brother. But I never harm a child. You understand what I say? Stone, you know that most of fall because me and him used to live like a brother. Eat out I see him play. I wonder if you over to me a deal with. So I don't know how we make man a full up him head of beer shit. You see me?
So Hittis are show them say him not change. They might think him change, but him not change. Him not gonna do nothing for harm kids in school. So even though him a run Mali, it was never a part of his plan to have it in schools.
Because the way and the conviction where the man them have is almost always as if them see you. I only there because I don't have you that way then.
And that
Again, wise counsel from King.
The overs, they're smarter than them at all times. You see, pray.
Right.
Enough respect my father.
If anybody was going to talk to Hittis and get Hittis to even consider the fact that he would have a sit down with them, it would have been King. So we're showing that no matter what kind of divide is happening in the community, we need that voice of reason. We need that one person where we try and bring it together and kill the stereotype. Thanks for watching. This is the Dancehall Professor saying, see you on the other side.